What if I told you the most harmful substance in your food isn't listed on the label? It's not sugar, starch, or even the infamous seed oils. This compound, linked to various health risks, is categorized as a probable carcinogen in humans based on animal studies. Known to harm nerves, the brain, and even reproductive organs, it has been flagged by international health organizations and environmental agencies. The shocking part? This isn't an ingredient, it's a byproduct. A chemical formed when certain foods are processed, especially at high temperatures. Its name is acrylamide, and understanding how it forms is key to avoiding it. How acrylamide is formed. Acrylamide develops when a specific protein, asparagine, reacts with sugars under intense heat. This reaction, known as the Maillard reaction, is responsible for browning in foods like fried potatoes, baked goods, and roasted coffee. Foods like potato chips, crackers, and even cereals are often culprits. Interestingly, natural sugars like those in honey or sugarcane don't produce acrylamide the same way. Instead, it's the refined sugars, like glucose, fructose, or high fructose corn syrup, combined with proteins in starchy foods that create this harmful byproduct. Why the cooking process matters. The type of oil used also influences acrylamide formation. Historically, fast food chains like McDonald's used beef fat to fry foods. This saturated fat prevented acrylamide formation, even in the presence of starch and protein. However, with the shift to seed oils in the 1990s, the acrylamide risk increased dramatically. How to reduce exposure. While it's nearly impossible to avoid acrylamide entirely, there are simple ways to minimize your exposure. 1. Choose saturated fats. When cooking, opt for stable fats like butter, coconut oil, or animal fats instead of processed seed oils. 2. Control cooking temperature. Acrylamide forms at temperatures above 285 degrees Fahrenheit, 120 degrees Celsius. Slow cooking or baking at lower temperatures can help reduce its creation. 3. Use natural sugars. When sweetening or baking, choose natural sugars over refined ones. 4. Pair with protective foods. Include cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, kale, and Brussels sprouts in your diet. These contain compounds that may neutralize harmful chemicals. Garlic, vitamin C-rich foods, and green tea also offer protective benefits. What about coffee? Acrylamide in coffee depends on the roast. Light roast coffee contains more acrylamide, while dark roast or espresso has significantly less due to the chemical breaking down at higher roasting temperatures. Opting for darker roasts can help mitigate the risk. The bigger picture. The prevalence of ultra-processed foods is alarming. These foods, often consumed in excess, contribute to a significant portion of modern diets, especially among children and teenagers. Over half of the calories in an adult's diet often come from ultra-processed options, which are loaded with ingredients that can lead to harmful byproducts like acrylamide. Take control of your diet. Cancer is a leading cause of death worldwide, and dietary factors play a significant role. While avoiding acrylamide entirely is unrealistic, being aware of its sources and mitigating your exposure can make a significant difference in your health. By choosing whole foods, reducing refined sugars, and cooking wisely, you can take steps to protect yourself and your family. Now that you're equipped with this knowledge, you can make smarter choices. Let's work together to reduce these hidden dangers from our diets.